No glue, y'all. It's real. Like, no freaking glue. Hey guys, it's Kate. Of course, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a wig I was sent from SUNBERHAIR. Just in case any of you guys are interested, check below in my description box because there will be links to this exact wig. And also, if you're just curious about what they have on their site in general, check below. So the wig is not in the box, but y'all, I've been on this, what's it called, rampage, where I've been trying to show y'all these new pre-cut wigs, pre-cut lace wigs. So this is another pre-cut lace wig, which I'm so in love. Okay, now the last two I showed you guys was curly. This one was in a body wave texture. Now, to make things simple and just like straight to the point and easy to apply, it did come as a body wave texture, but I went ahead and curled it off camera. So I did curl it, but just know that the texture is body wave. So before we get started on the wig, let me show you guys what this wig came with. So it came with like one of those lace mountain bands right here, and it just has their company name on it, which is really cute. It also came with a wig cap, and then it came with a goodie bag, and the goodie bag consists of another wig cap, some lashes, and a makeup brush, and another elastic band. So yeah. All right, y'all, let's hop into this wig. Like I said, I wanted to make this easy as possible because this wig is supposed to be like put on your head and go. Mind you, sorry, that's my air freshener. The only thing I did to this wig was curled it. That's it. It already came as a set middle part, although let me just show you. Okay, so it's pin curled at the moment because of course I curled it and I wanted the curls to like be real juicy and bouncy. Why is that so light? It's only when I put up the hair. So yeah, this is, I believe it's like a 6, I'm not, maybe a 5x5. I'm gonna say a 5x5. So the lace looks like it's a 5x5 lace. Here we go. I also, that's another thing I did. I also went in and added concealer to my part because I did plan on wearing a black stocking cap, but now I feel like I'm just not going to wear a stocking cap at all. As you can see, I did nothing. I didn't have to cut off the lace because, hold on. As you can see, the hairline is already pre-plucked. The lace is already cut off for you. It already came as a middle part. Even though the body wave, like when I took it out, the body wave texture was definitely given. If that's something that you like just wearing straight like that, then by all means you could wear it like that. Now for the construction, like I said, this does look like a 5x5 lace, but I'll have all the details in my description box just in case you guys are interested. Now this is your typical construction for the pre-cut lace wigs. So it comes with 2 combs off to the side. It also comes with a comb in the back. Hold on. It comes with a comb in the back, and it comes with the grippy thing, and the grippy thing is in replace, there we go, in replace of the adjustable straps that's normally right there. And why is it not focusing? Yeah, and I noticed this grippy thing comes in all the pre-cut wigs. Oh, and it also comes with an adjustable elastic band, and I'm going to go ahead and adjust this. This is also glueless as well, hence that's why I am adjusting it, because my head is very small. Now these are removable if you wanted to go ahead and remove them, but again, they don't give you the other adjustable straps, so it kind of forces you to use this unless your head is just like bigger than mine and it just fit right. So let's go ahead and try her on. I'm excited. And I'm not using a stocking cap, y'all. Ooh, this thing tight. Okay. Ooh. And that little grippy part that I showed you, I think that comes all the way up to here. So it's gripping my head really nice. Yeah, that is nice. Look at that, y'all. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead, the pin curls is already starting to fall out, so I'm just gonna continue to take them out. It's so many bobby pins in here. Hopefully the curls, like, the curls be curling. Now, I will say that the quality of this hair, definitely bomb. But let's see if it can hold a curl. It is body wave texture, so you know how body wave hair is. It's pretty good on holding a curl versus straight hair. And I did have it pinned for some time now, so we'll see. But so far so good. The fit of the cap is really nice. I can appreciate it. It's definitely glueless. It serves its purpose. I'm just making sure I don't have no bobby pins nowhere. This is white stuff in here. Curls, because they looking ratchet a little bit. Like, come on now. Don't do me dirty. Why is this light so bright? I don't know why this light is being so dumb. Like, why is it so light like this? Like, come on. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna brush it out and see what happens. I really enjoy this side. Like, this side is really pretty. This side is just like, it's pretty much doing its own thing. But I mean, I can live with it. Oh, there we go. All right, let's see if my hair will stay in place. I feel like it is though. Like, what? All right, let's see. I'm gonna have to do this. Like, y'all know how it be when you got lip gloss stuck to your hair, or your hair stuck to your lip gloss. All right, y'all ready? All right. Sorry, I was supposed to be holding in my lips. Hold on. That thing ain't move, okay, at all. Ooh, it even got like prettier. Let me spray it so I can make sure this shit don't go nowhere. Hold on. Let me, y'all. I promise you, this wig is giving bundles. It's giving bundles. Oh my god. Okay, let me spray this. Because the way it's looking right now, this is pretty. I wanted to stay just like this. Like, y'all saw that, right? No glue, y'all. It's real. Like, no freaking glue. Here are my end results. It is like flyaways in this wig, but I don't want to put too much like product or wax, you know, wax on this wig, just because I don't want it to be like real overly oily or nothing like that. This is like, I don't even want to disturb what we have going on here, because this is giving what I needed to give. Alright, y'all, so if y'all interested in this wig, be sure to check the description box down below, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section.